Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Digital Krishna Priya. In this video, I'm going to show you what is Google Tag Manager and how to use this Tag Manager and what is the importance of using this Tag Manager. So now let's get started. Google Tag Manager. Okay, so you might have heard this Google Tag Manager many times, right? So
Yes.
where you have heard?
Yes. Website.
Okay, now first thing is the Google Search Console. While we are trying to associate our website with the Search Console, so we have seen few things like we can associate with the help of HTML tag, HTML file, and Google Analytics, and one more thing is the Google Tag Manager. Okay, so Google Tag Manager means simply it is a tool or else a platform provided by a Google itself. So where we can manage the tags. Okay, so normally where we gonna paste any kind of tags like conversion tracking tag or else remarketing tag, where we are pasting all those tags within the
Theme editor.
within
Website.
the website only, right?
Yes.
Hmm.
Yes,
Yeah.
ma'am.
So getting into the dashboard of your website, either you are using some plugins or else you are just getting into the theme editor and trying to paste that code in the header section or body section, whatever it might be. So why? What is the benefit of this tag manager? So if we have a alternative way like a website where we can paste the tags. So the advantage of this tag manager is it will make your loading speed of your website will be fast. Why? Because if I
Okay.
paste the tags in my website, I'll be having a lot of tags, right? So including a Facebook pixel, LinkedIn pixel, Pinterest tag. So I have a lot of tags. So everything I have to paste it into the website section only. So if I have a multiple tags in my website, that makes my loading speed very slow. Okay, what happen if your loading time is very slow? Will anyone show some interest to open? So if they
No,
search
ma'am.
for your website and if it is still browsing, will anyone show some interest to read content in your website?
No, ma'am.
No.
Definitely no, right? So that
Yeah.
is the main issue we are facing. But if I want, I can remove. But what happens if I remove? I'll be I just want to reassociate again once more. So if I get deleted, everything I lost with the Facebook pixel or Pinterest tag, whatever, I won't be able to associate my website. Then what is the alternative thing I can find out is that Google Tag Manager. So if an interviewer asks you about what is this Google Tag Manager, tell him that it is a platform provided by a Google where we can manage different kinds of website where it simply acts as a medium, okay, medium for the website and a particular channel. So now I'll show you one diagram. This is a website. This is a Google Tag Manager. And these are your Facebook pixel or Google Ads, conversion tracking, remarketing tracking, Google Analytics, LinkedIn, Pinterest. So what happening here? And website. Facebook pixel, Google Ads tracking, conversion tracking, remarketing tracking, Google Search Console tracking, and Google Analytics tracking, and LinkedIn tracking. So each and everything have a code or not? I mean tag or not? For
Yes.
Facebook Pixel, I have a tag. For Google Search Console, I have a tag. For Google Analytics, I have a tag. So everything I have to paste it in the website section. So now what I'm using is instead of directly pasting in the website, I am trying to use the tag manager. So for everything, I can connect the multiple tags. There is no limit. So n number of tags I can connect with a tag manager. So finally, what you have to do, if you just connect with the tag manager, it won't enough. So you need to connect your tag manager to the
Website. Okay.
website, right? So now here what happens? Here a person is there, okay? Now you are tracking everything with the help of Google Tag Manager. If you want to see the analytics, now let's say a person through the Google Analytics, you came to know that a person who beans to this blog website, I am going to track it as a one conversion. So now what happens? When a person beans to this website, so in this website, we will be having a Google Tag Manager code, right? That tag will fire the cookies and everything, the data I can see in the each and every platform here.
Okay.
Got it? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
so we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
connect the tag manager. So, and tag manager has to be connected with the website. So when someone visits, so everything I can track over here. The
Yeah.
only thing is it acts as a medium. Okay,
Hmm.
got it now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let us see how we can track and how we can connect any kinds of website. So I'll just show you the structure of Google Ads, Google Tag Manager. You can create an account. Okay, first thing is you have to create an account in Google Tag Manager. Then you have to create a containers. So in Google Analytics, we will be creating an account and we will be creating a properties under that account. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
property means website. So here account means the simply the account you are creating and container means the website you are adding. Got it?
Hmm.
Okay. So now this is first thing you need to create an account, then you need to add your website to the account. Now let us see how we can create an account and how we can create a containers. Search like this, Google Tag Manager. So here you can see tagmanager.google.com. So what is this? Tagmanager.google Tag Manager. It is a
Website.
URL. It is a subdomain of Google. Can you see?
Yes.
Google Ads is also subdomain of Google. Google Search Console is also subdomain of Google, right? Yeah. So now when you open this Google Tag Manager, this is how your interface looks like. So now this is, by default, I have a Dizzy course one. So now let me try to create an account. So click on this create one. So account name can go with so country, choose country. And now can you see here account setup and here container setup. You need to enter your container name. Okay. Then target platform. What you want to track. Okay. So normally we have a website, right? I'll go with a website. Okay. Google Tag Manager, fine. Accept. Yes. Install a Google Tag Manager. Copy the code below and paste it into every page of your site, of your website. Okay. Right. Now what you have to do is paste this code as high in the header section of the page. This code you have to paste it in the header section, and this code where you need to paste it is in the body section. Okay, now let me open the website dashboard. Two ways, right? So one is through plugins and one is through theme editor. Okay, what are the plugins you can use? You can use
HF,
yeah. So
yeah.
HFCM
Header
plugin you can
yeah.
use, or else you can use the insert header and footers.
Footer.
So now when you feel that you are not able to copy and paste the code and it would be like a very complicated for you, so there is a one more option like you can directly install a Google Tag Manager plugin. Okay. So now I'll try to install that plugin, or else you can use the plugins that you have already.
Again, if we use, I think this plugin, it would be like better, no ma'am.
No, nothing is better, nothing
Like
is
that?
worst.
Okay.
Both you can use. So for you already know how to perform with that tools, right? So extra thing I'm going to explain you. So have you tried connecting a Google Analytics, Rafi?
No,
Why, Rafi? Why? What happened?
I'm doing something else.
Mm-hmm.
I'll start
So,
working on it from tomorrow.
okay. Google Tag Manager, here it is. So I'll just install this and activate.
Okay, it automatically enables on all pages.
So not automatically, again, we need to enter
Okay.
the ID. So it's got installed. Now let us see where it is. Here it is. Click this Google Tag Manager. Google Tag ID. So here we just need to enter the ID of our Google Tag Manager. So you no need of entering this code and all now. So close it. Can you see this is
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
GTM57? This is your ID. Copy it. Okay, and go back, enter, and save changes. Settings saved. Now that's it. So in such a way, you can just create an account and insert the website URL, and you can insert the tag. Now I just want to know whether I have successfully pasted this code or not, whether it is working or not. So at that time, you can just install this Chrome extension. Google Tag Assistant. Note it down, guys. It is very important again. You may forgot. So Google Tag Assistant, this is the Chrome extension you can use. So I'll just search like this. Google Tag Assistant. Chrome extension. Yeah, Google Tag Assistant.
This is for to fire the cookies, ma'am.
Not fire the cookies, to find out whether Google Tag Manager is successfully applied in your website or not.
Okay.
So here it is showing me remove from home. Why? Because I have already installed in my Chrome extension, as in my Chrome
Okay.
extension. So this is, can you see?
Yes,
This
ma'am.
is a site icon of this Google Tag Assistant. Now open the website. busycodes.in and click on Tag Assistant. Enable. It will record. So let us see now. Refresh. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Google Tag Manager.
Yes.
Got it now? So now I have successfully applied a Google Tag Manager in my website. So the next. Now this is how the interface of a normal Google Tag Manager looks like. So you can see left side there are few options like tags, triggers, and variables and all. So tags means the first thing. So tags means now we have a Google Analytics tag, or else simply you can call it as a tracking template. Okay. Tracking code or tracking template, anything. So now I have a Google Analytics tag. I have a Google Search Console tag, Facebook Pixel tag. So all those things you can connect with this with the help of this tag option. Okay. And the next option is trigger. So trigger means if you want to track any particular clicks, or else if you want to track a particular event, or else if you want to track particular browsings of that website, then at that time you can use this trigger. Okay. And the next thing, variables. Variables means here you can here you can just insert what kind of products you are selling. So the custom space, you can simply insert the specific tags over here. Now let's say I want to track the specific page, so at that time you can use this variable. Simply it is very useful for e-commerce kind of websites. So now I'll just show you how to use these tags and how exactly we can connect any kind of tracking with the Google Tag Manager. So go to tags now, or else if you click this tag, it will show you what all the tags we have. So as of now, I don't have any tags. So click this new and click on this tag configuration. So you can just name this tag. Okay, my post. Okay, yeah, tag. If you click this, so it will show you many things. You can track Google Analytics, you can track conversion tracking, remarketing. So many complete Google products are available here. So these are other than Google products also available. So here you can see Pinterest tag. Can you see Pinterest tag, Quora Pixel tag? Many things are there. Okay, so now let's say Facebook Pixel is there. So now Facebook Pixel is not appearing here. So at that time, you can just use this custom HTML and you can enter the code here. Okay,
Okay.
so you can simply, if some particular item is not available, you can just click on the custom HTML and you can paste the code and save it. It gets automatically connected. The same way like a LinkedIn also, Twitter also you can do. Okay. Now let me add one thing. Okay. So let us add a Google Analytics now. Track type. Okay, what you want to track? A page view or an event or else a transaction, so or else any social medias or timings, decorate link, forms, what you want to track. So as of now, I'll go with a page view. So I need to set up a variables now. Okay. Variable configuration. Can you see? I am configuring the variable. Tracking ID. What is this tracking ID?
Tracking ID of
For
Google.
everything we have a ID, right? So for Google Ads we have a ID. For Search Console we have a ID. So I'll just enter now Google Analytics tracking ID. I will enter here. So where you can find out the ID of your analytic ID. Go to admin, property settings. So this is your tracking ID. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Copy the complete thing, go back to the tag manager and enter. Okay. So cookie domain. So if you want to see more settings, it's not required anyhow. Right. Then save it. My website page. Yeah, loading. So now I just created the tag and I have specified the variable also. If you want, you can specify the triggering as well. Can you see the triggering? All pages. So as of now, it is showing you like all pages. Okay. If you want, you can have your own thing like, page view or else custom links, forum submissions, custom event. So you can just set up custom like, I just want to track. If you don't want to track all pages, so you can track only one page. That is happens with this custom one. give a name, like I'll just choose a custom event now. Mm, thank you, event name means lead. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So all some custom events. So fire the trigger when an event occurs and all of these conditions are true. Event and content. So I need to enter the URL when someone visits this page. So I am going to track. So this is one event for me. Got it now? Now what I will do, I'll fill up this. Okay, I'll take this contact page directly. Go back where it is. Tag manager. Event and contains. Do you know the contains or equals mean?
Certain particular page or like
Mm-mm,
different
mm-mm.
pages.
Yes. So you can just use this. Got it? And if you
Yes,
still
ma'am.
wants to have enter few more URLs, you can just enter. Okay. Copy. Clear now
Yes,
and
ma'am.
save it. Okay. So can you see now? I have a one tag and I have a one trigger and I have a one variable also. So here you can see this is my variable and these are my triggers, lead trigger, and this is my tag. Cleared
Thanks.
now? Did you understand the difference between tags, triggers, and variables? Yeah. So if you want, you can preview. So now live preview is going on. Let us open the website. Waiting for Google Manager. Can you see? Tags fired.
Okay.
Yeah, are you
Yes,
getting?
ma'am.
And can you see GTM number? I mean GTM ID also?
Yes, ma'am.
So now it's getting fired. So I'm just testing whether it is working or not. Now I have choose to write busycodes.in/contact us. So when someone visits this page or when someone visits this URL, I want to track. So is that firing or not again?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is how you can simply check with the any type of tags. Okay. All right. So I'm successfully done with the creating tags and all. So not only these tags. So if you still wants to add a few more tags, you can add. So you can add a Facebook pixel tag. Now let us try to add one Facebook pixel. Let us see. I have already pasted Facebook pixel. Let me see now. So click on this tag manager, connect account, continue. So select a pixel, continue. So choose an account to continue. You do not have right access to any containers from this. This report only. Okay, Krishna Priya. Finish setup. Can you see account Krishna Priya and container Dizzy
Easy
codes.
codes.
So what is this?
That's our account name and it's a website which we give.
Yes. Finish setup. Setup complete. So we are done with the Google Tag Manager. connected with the Facebook pixel. So very simple now. You don't need to paste the code here and there and all.
Yeah.
That is very
Yes, ma'am.
simple. And LinkedIn also. Can you do that? Can you do with the help of LinkedIn?
To
Yes.
track? Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, to track. So simply click on that. So wherever you go, you will be having option like tag manager, no? So for
Yes,
conversion
ma'am.
tracking also you have a tag manager. For everything you have a tag manager. So you just need to choose that option. That's it. Where is my tag manager now? Here it is. So many things you can add. You can add a Google Ads also. Google Ads conversion tracking. Hmm? Many things. Yeah. So now did you understand, guys? It is very, very, very simple. You just need to feel it as a so comfortable and it is very useful. So lot of big business industries will be
Yeah,
using this
ma'am.
tag
They'll be
manager.
tracking. Yeah.
That is very important, right?